once again. The more I know about giving and trying, the more I know about laughter and crying. The fear I have of losing is nothing compared to losing you. 'Cause the mystery in keeping love is never giving up. Here we are, standing in the middle of a broken heart. Are we strong enough to see the hurting part and make it right again? Make it to the end. Make it to the end. I can see the sun in the distance, and with you I'm willing to finish. Through the rain and the darkness, I'm ready to go the way with you. 'Cause on the other side of this journey, there's a longing light that is fading. With the love that I've been holding, I'm giving it to you.